you want to be a professional thermal user, this series of films will help you get the best picture with your Pulsar device. After all, if you've an Axion, a Merger or a Telos, you want to know it's performing to its best ability. I'm Dave at Thomas Jacks, and in this 1-minute guide you'll master brightness, contrast and sensor amplification to get the best picture in any weather. So keep watching. The first thing to note is that conditions will affect thermal sensor, and when there's moisture in the air, be that humidity, snow, mist, fog, or like this, bit of a downpour, it's all going to put moisture in the air between you and the warm object you want to see. Now the thermal sensor is sensing the rain as well as that animal in the distance, and it's got to try and fight through that. Now that's going to make a thermal image look a little bit washed out, but Pulsar have thought of that, and that's why they've got sensor amplification.
Long button press, normal, should be your default, but there's loads of rain between me and these pheasants about 100 metres away, so high seems better for these conditions.
Now let's set your brightness and contrast. We're going to start with contrast and begin at the midpoint, which is number 10, and increase it in increments until you've got nice crisp thermal detail. Now if you are filming, I tend to go to the higher end of the scale because it just looks better for the video files. And when you've got your contrast set, move on to brightness. Now the trick here is that you want to be within 4 increments of your contrast setting. If you find that you're a bit further out than that, go back to your contrast and reset it to make sure you're within 4. For more 1-minute tips from me, Dave at Thomas Jacks, click the I or subscribe.